It's welcome back to our EVS class. So today we are going to start our new lesson of second semester. So this is unit number 3 and we are going to learn about our surroundings. In our surroundings we are going to learn about the world of plants. We are going to learn about the world of plants. So basically we are going to learn about plants. So before learning this lesson, we will read the lesson first. So open page number 102. There are different kinds of plants. Some plants are big, some plants are small. We must take good care of plants and trees. They purify the air and keep the air clean. We must grow more trees. Baby plants. Come, let us see how a plant is born. Some plants are born from seeds. The seeds contain a baby plant. The baby plant needs warmth, water and air to grow. The sun keeps the seed warm. The rain gives it water. The air helps us to breathe and make its food. This is sun. This is rain. And this is plant. And this is soil. Now see here, seeds. Seeds are of different shapes and sizes. Seeds are found inside flowers or fruits. Here are some seeds. Orange seeds, chickpea seeds, bean seeds, green peas, gram seeds, sunflower seeds and apple seeds. Parts of a plant. Children, do you know what are the different parts of a plant? See here, this is a plant. This is flower, this is leaf, this is stem, these are roots. All these parts have something to tell you. Let's see what they tell you. Roots. We are roots. We grow below the ground. We bring water and nutrients for the plant from the soil. For the plants from the soil. We hold the plant in place. I grow above the ground. I support the plant. I pass on the water from the roots to the different parts of the plant. This is stem. Now let's see what are leaves telling us. We are leaves. We are the leaves. We grow from the stem. We make food for the plant with the help of sunlight, air and water. I am the flower. I grow from the stem of the plant. I have seeds or I turn into fruit with seeds. These are some roots. These are some of the roots, stems and leaves which we eat. These are the roots. Carrot, radish, turnip. Stems, sugarcane, potato, ginger. Leaves, cabbage, lettuce, spinach. These are some of the flowers we see around us. Poppy, pansy, daisy, marigold, periwinkle and sunflower. So let's learn this lesson in detail. See here, there are different kinds of plants. We have different kinds of plants surrounding us. Some plants are big, some plants are small, some are big and some are small. We must take good care of plants and trees. Why? Why do we need to take care of plants and trees? Can you tell me? They means plants and trees purify the air. Plants and trees purify the air and keep the air clean. What will happen if we inhale dirty air? We will fall sick. We must grow more trees. Why do we need to grow more trees? Because trees purify the air and keep the air clean and also keep us healthy. Baby plant. Come, let us see how a plant is born. Let's see how a plant is born. Some plants are born from seeds. See here, these are the seeds. So some plants are born from the seeds. And the seed contains a baby plant. The seed contains a baby plant. The baby plant needs warmth, water and air to grow. Like humans, humans need what? Food, water and also air to grow, right? To live, we need food, water and air. So plants also need warmth, water and air to grow. Like we humans need food, baby plants need warmth, water and air to grow. The sun keeps the seed warm. How does the sun helps a seed or a plant to grow? The sun keeps the seed warm. The rain gives it water. The air helps us to breathe and make its food. The air helps it to breathe and make its food. See here, this is soil, this is seed, and this is how a plant is created or made from a seed. Seeds. Seeds are of different shapes and size. You can see different kinds of seeds, in different shapes and different sizes. Some seeds are big, some seeds are small. Seeds are found inside flowers or fruits. Some seeds you can get from fruits like orange seeds, chiku seeds, etc. And some seeds you get from flowers like sunflower seeds, right? So these are the types of seeds, different types of seeds. Sunflower seeds, apple seed, gram seeds, green peas, bean seeds, chiku seeds, orange seeds. So, see here, parts of a plant. Children, do you know what are the different types of plants? Different parts of plants. So, like we human have different body parts, plant also has many different parts. For example, this is flower. Let's see what does flower do. I am the flower. I grow from stem of the plant. I have seeds and I turn into fruit with seeds. This is flower. See here, flower. I grow from stem. This is stem. See here, this is stem. Flower grows from stem of the plant. I have seeds or I turn into fruits with seeds. I have seeds. Flower has seeds or the flower turns into fruit with seeds. So next one is leaf. We are the leaves. This is leaf. These are leaves. Singular word is leaf and plural word is leaves. We are the leaves. We grow from the stem. Leaves also grow from the stem. We make food for the plants with the help of sunlight, air and water. Leaves produce what? They make food for the plants with the help of what? Sunlight, air and water. I am the stem. This is stem. See here. I grow above the ground. This is ground. I support the plant. Stem supports the plant. It grows above the ground. This is ground. It grows above the ground. I pass on the water from roots to the different parts of the plant. Stem pass on the water from roots. These are roots. So the stem pass on the water from roots to the different parts of plants. We are the roots. We grow below the ground. Roots grow below the ground. We bring water and nutrients for the plants from the soil. Roots bring water and different nutrients for the plant from the soil. We hold the plant in place. Roots hold the plant in place. So kids, this is about a plant. So in next class I will show you a plant which will give you some practical knowledge. So see here, these are the roots which we eat. Carrot, radish, turnip. These are the roots that we eat raw. Stems. Sugarcane, potato and ginger. These are the stems of a plant that we eat. These stems we can eat like sugarcane, potato and ginger. Then there are some leaves which we can eat. Cabbage, lettuce and spinach and many are there. These are some of the flowers we see around us like poppy, pansy, daisy, marigold, periwinkle and sunflower. So this is basically a theory class. Tomorrow I am going to show a real plant with its flower, leaves, stem and roots. So we will meet in next class. Till then you need to read this lesson and you need to study well. So we will meet in next class. Till then take care and study well.